So okay, now find the RVV value for this section. How much RVV?
21.4 mm.
21.4. So everyone, please go to steel table. Don't copy whatever I am writing and our friends are telling these values. So you have to go in steel table. Otherwise, you will not able to find these values and section from steel table in the examination. So don't think that that is so easy. So this is very difficult to find because many students not able to find these sections from the steel table. So this is very important. So personally you go, I will wait, we will go slow, but you have to find this value from steel table. So everyone please go out in the steel table. So many time I have told you. We are going very slow. I am giving time to you, go to steel table. Please find this section for this area. So this is AG is the 1702 mm square. So where is this 13.4 kg per meter? Where is this AG? Where is RVV value? So you find these all values. Don't copy. Otherwise you are not able to find this value in examination. If any doubt, ask me. In the steel table they have written sectional area. We are writing here AG, so they have written only small a like this. Okay, so this is the step 3. Now step 4. So step 4 is the design of connection. Design of connection. So which type of connection is given now here, or which type of connection we have to design now?
Bolted.
So small a, two cases they have written. Small a is for bolted connection they have told, and small b is for the welded connection. So now first small a is the bolted connection. So we have to design first bolted connection. So 20 mm diameter. So, okay, design of bolted connection. Now follow the procedure. So for the design of bolted connection, what we have to do? So we have to calculate the number of bolts for number of bolts. So for calculation of number of bolts, we have to calculate first design shear strength and bearing strength. So calculate here. So calculate shearing strength. So how to calculate shearing strength? So write down here design strength of bolt in shearing. Design strength of bolt in shearing. So what is formula? That is VDSB, design strength of bolt in shearing. So VDSB is equal to VDSB is equal to what is formula? A and B into
N into FUB.
so first N into A and B into FUB
Divided by root 3 gamma MB.
root 3 gamma MB. So this is the formula for strength of bolt in shearing. Okay. So now how many shear planes? N is equal to shear planes. So single angle is there only. So we are using here now single angle. So only one shear plane is there. So N is equal to 1 into A and B. A and B is 0.78 into pi by 4 into D square. So how much diameter of bolt they have given?
20 mm.
20 mm into FUB. FUB is nothing but ultimate tensile strength of the bolt. Ultimate tensile strength of the bolt, that is depend on the grade of bolt. So which type of grade of bolt is given? 4.6 grade. So for 4.6 grade bolt, what is the value of FUB? It is 400, correct? FUB is there, not FU. FUB is the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt and depend upon this 4.6 grade bolt. So 4.6 grade bolt is given. So 400 divided by under root of 3 into gamma MB is 1.25.
Forty-five point 27 kilonewton.
45.27. Please everyone calculate this. Do the calculations. So 45.27 kilonewton is the design strength of bolt in shearing. Now calculate design strength of bolt in bearing. Design strength of bolt in bearing. So what is formula for design strength of bolt in bearing? That is VDPB is equal to, what is formula?
2.5 into KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma m1.
KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma M1. 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma M1. This is the design strength of bolt in bearing. So here we have to calculate KB first. So KB is the list of number 1 E divided by 3DH. So before that, now we have to calculate H distance and P distance. So here calculate first H distance, small e and P. So here small e is equal to 1.5 into DH and P is equal to 2.5 into D. So 1.5 into DH. DH is the, again we have to calculate DH here. How to calculate DH? Diameter of hole. कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करतो आपण? So DH is equal to D plus how much? It is depend upon
2.
diameter. D plus 2. So here D is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22 mm. So DH is 22 mm. Then small e 1.5 into DH. So 1.5 into 22 is 33 mm. And 2.5 into D is 20. 2.5 into D is 20. So 2.5 into 20 is 50 mm. Now calculate KB. So KB is list of number 1 E divided by 3DH. So E is 33 divided by 3 into 22 is equal to 0.5. So we got the first KB value, that is 0.5. Now second KB value, P divided by 3DH minus 0.25. So P is 50 mm, 3 into DH 22 minus 0.25. So second KB value is this, P by 3DH minus 0.25. So if we put the value of P is 50 divided by 3 into 22, so how much this value? Second?
0.507.
507. So third value of KB, what is? FUB divided by FU. Third KB value is FUB divided by FU. So FUB is 400 and FU is 410. So this much is 0.975. Is this correct? 400 by 410. 0.975.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So fourth value of KB is 1. So now out of these four, which is least, this first one is. So KB is equal to 0.5. So this is the value of KB. Now put this value of KB into the bearing formula. Design strength of bolt in bearing. So these are the four values of KB. So out of these four, KB is the least value here, 0.5. So we have to find out least value. So 0.5 is the least. So now this formula, 2.5 into KB into D into T into FU divided by gamma M1. Now put this value of KB here. So VDPB is equal to 2.5 into KB. KB is 0.5 into D. Diameter is 20 mm. T, thickness of angle. How much thickness of angle? 8 mm, because the whichever less thickness will be there, that member will be fail initially. 8 mm thickness angle ची आहे, तर पहिल्यांदा ज्याची थिकनेस कमी आहे तो फेल होतो. मग गसेट प्लेटची थिकनेस याच्यापेक्षा ऑलवेज जास्तच असते. So here we have to use T is the lesser thickness of the, it means angle thickness. 20 into 8 into FU is 410 divided by gamma M1. Gamma M1 is 1.25. So now calculate the value of VDPB, that is the design
65.6.
65.60. So got it? So now design strength of bolt is nothing but minimum of these two. So design strength of bolt is equal to what? Minimum of VDSB and VDPB. So whichever is minimum, so design strength is 45.27. This VDPB value is correct, 65.
Yes, sir.
So out of these two, shearing and bearing. So shearing value is 45.27 and bearing value is 65. So minimum strength, so design strength of bolt is 45.27. So we got the design strength. So we have to calculate the number of bolt here now. So number of bolt is equal to, formula is factored load. Here number of bolt is equal to factored load divided by design strength of bolt. Design strength of bolt. Just minute, wait. Try to solve, because we have calculated actually factored load and design strength. Put the values and calculate number of bolts. गोसावी सर करावं 1 मिनिट. So exactly 4.
3.31.
So factored load is 150 divided by 45.27 design strength. So 3.3.
3.1.
3.31. It means 4 we have to use. So number of bolts are 4. Are you getting everyone? हेलो सर। सर एक्चुअली मेरे को मीटिंग है वो अभी अर्जेंट बजट का और मेरा लेक्चर अरेंजमेंट हो गया है। मैं और सिर्फ सारे काम कर रहा हूँ लेक्चर पूरा कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है रखता हूँ। Hello. Sorry for actually I have urgent another meeting is there, so that's why I have muted myself. I have urgent call. Okay, so number of bolts we have calculated 4. So next, okay, so now next step is the, so this is the single angle section, so we have to not not required. Step number 5, we have seen the step number 5, that is moment of inertia. So this is applicable for double angle only. So here step number 5 is now directly design compressive strength, sorry, slenderness ratio. So calculate slenderness ratio. Calculate slenderness ratio, that is lambda e. So lambda e is equal to k1 plus k2 into lambda vv square plus k3 into lambda phi square. So okay, so to find k1, k2, k3, to find k1, k2, k3, so which page number we have to go? Okay, so for k1, k2, k3, so which table we have to see? Please reply me. काय आपण अगोदरच मागच्या 2 लेक्चर मध्येच पाहिलंय.
IS code page number 48.
Page number 48, table number, page number 48,
Table number 12.
table number 12. For that we required number of bolt and fixity condition. So here how many bolts they have given?
2.
So 2 bolts. Two bolts and which fixity?
Hinged.
Hinged fixity. Two bolts and hinged fixity. It means, so for this condition, so tell me K1 is equal to, K2 is equal to, and K3 is equal to.
K1 is equal to 0.7.
K1 is
0.7.
0.7. K2 is
0.6.
0.6. 0.6 K2 and K3
5.
5. Please everyone see 0.7, 0.6 and 5. So this is K1, K2, K3. Now calculate the lambda VV. Lambda VV is equal to, so L divided by RVV divided by, what is next formula? Divided by epsilon under root of pi square E divided by 250, correct? So capital L is nothing but effective length. They have given 3 meter, it means 3000 divided by RVV 21.4 divided by epsilon is 1 pi square into 2 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 250. So how much lambda VB? Similarly, find out lambda phi. So again, lambda phi is equal to B1 plus B2 divided by 2t divided by epsilon under root of pi square E divided by 250. So B1 and B2 are the two legs width of the angle. So 110 by 110 divided by 2 into thickness of angle is 8. So 1 into under root of pi square into 2 into 10 raised to 5. So divided by 250. So tell me,
Lambda VB is equal to 1.578.
1.578 lambda VV and lambda phi
0.155.
155. Please calculate everyone these two values. I will wait